Hello. Hi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and today I have been waiting to film this. Honestly, since June or July, all of my Terra Moon shadows are in and we are going to create a rainbow oil slick look, and this is the look I have talked about in multiple videos that really ignited my love for duochromes, multichromes, all of the shifty things. I know I've given a lot of videos kind of the hidden title of a love letter to seeking shifts. This, my friends, is a love letter to seeking shifts. When I saw this photo on Instagram, I could think of nothing else. And I've badgered her about it. I've talked to her about it. She was so kind to send me a photograph with the placement of all of these shadows. A lot of these shadows I had to wait a while on as they came back in stock, but they are in my hands, and that is what we're going to do today. So I have laid down a base of just bronzer and cream brulee, or brulee from Wet n Wild, just to brighten the inner corners, but we're going to get into this. So I'm going to bring you a little bit closer, and we're going to dive into this, and then I have a whole outfit look that I've built around this look, and we are going to film other videos, so you're going to see this look in a few other videos. I'll make sure to mention that the tutorial is here. I have not practiced this. It's going to be a trial by fire with all of you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so all of these shades are from Terra Moons. I'm going to be using the first row and then the two over here. They're all iridescent, but they have different qualities. We're going to get the rainbow look like I showed before. These three are just extra Terra Moons that I need to put in a palette. This palette is from TKB, another Seeking Shifts recommendation. I have a few of these now. I'm very excited. One, to organize my shadows, but two, to start creating my own palettes at some point. So I'm going to be looking off to the inspiration photo here on my left, your right, and I have wisely put these in the order that I need them to, or else I would have to pop them out of the back, and I don't really want to do that. So we're going to start off with Lunar Spectrum, and I'm like too excited. I got ahead of myself. Let's prime the lid over the little bit of powder that I have with the NYX glitter glue. All right, so I've got my NYX glitter glue. I don't think that you necessarily need this with Terra Moons. Her shadows are really, really nice, but I do want them to be as much payoff as possible, and this will really help. It is very sticky. It's also very affordable. I do really like this, just to make things stick around longer and try to prevent as much fallout as possible. I don't have a ton with Terra Moons, but I have never worn a look with this many duochrome shades at once, so take that with a grain of salt. So now that I'm on and sticky, my plan is to use the Refer 21 brush for all of this. So I've got a microfiber cloth here that I'm going to be kind of cleaning off the brush in between. So let's go into this Lunar Spectrum, and I'm going to go just in the inner corner here. Oh, I'm already so excited. Now, she and I have slightly different eye shapes, so it's going to take a little bit of tweaking, I think, but I'm just really patting that in. It's already so pretty. And Lunar Spectrum it's really multifaceted. It goes gold, green, there's some pink and purple in there. Just lovely. And then I'm going to wipe off my brush here as best as I can. Sometimes the glitter sticks around, but that's okay. So I got a clean brush, and let's go into Phoenix, which she has kind of underneath the top of her brow. So pick that up. I'm gonna go right above that, about there. Oh, are you seeing this? Oh my gosh, I die. think I have the lighting right so you can see. So that shifts really kind of like orange, red, and gold. Gorgeous. And I think I'm actually going to go back into Lunar Spectrum just to build up the inner corner so that it is on par with that Phoenix. I mean, this is a look already, you know? Okay, then next is Red Giant just underneath right here. And yeah, that kind of goes all the way across underneath. I hope I'm doing her proud. And my guess is it's okay to kind of overlap these because, oh, can you see that? The rainbow's starting. Oh. Honestly, this, like, I know in Pride Month, a lot of people do rainbow eyes. This is the rainbow eye that I would do. Okay, next is Europa, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, okay. Going into Europa. I can't believe these are doing so well with just a brush. That just speaks to the quality. Now, Europa is kind of like the first color on the lid here. This one's not picking up as well. We might have to grab a different brush and use some Fix Plus. Oh, it's there. I am going to, I think, grab a different brush. Okay, let's go in with the Katie Jane Hughes Spectrum 18, which is a pencil brush. Let's try that again. It's a little denser of a brush, but I am going to spritz it. Just using Max Fix Plus, probably just one. I'm not trying to go crazy here. Yeah, I think so. And I'm just gonna go again into that kind of inner corner of the lid. Let's try the other. Yeah. I need to fit 3 more across, which I think I have plenty of space. Again, her eyes are slightly different than mine in shape. Guys, look at the rainbow. I'm dying. Okay, clean that brush off. Next is Zero Gravity, which is more on the blue side, and this one is not quite as flaky, so I think it's gonna pick up a little better than that Europa shade, and that is all the lid up like that. And I'm bringing it a little above the crease just so you can see when my eye is closed. Do the same on this lid. Just slightly overlapping with that last shade just so I cover all of the lid here. Oh, I'm so excited. That is such a pretty shade. I'm gonna build it up a little bit, just to even out the 2 eyes because I brought it a little bit further over. Okay, we're cooking. We are cooking. Next is Atlas, which is a little bit more into the green family. And I'm not gonna bring it up too high because we've got one last shadow that will go here. But there's Solar Flare. I'm gonna wipe the brush off and tap just to make sure that that's pushed into that primer. Oh, I'm dying. You guys, this is the funnest eyeshadow look I've ever done. All right, try to pick a little bit more of that up. This one is a little flaky. You can see definitely a little more flaky. So I'm gonna tap just a touch off. Oh, heck yeah. And then last on the lid part is Selene, which I think I need to bring this over a little bit more. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Wipe my brush off, tap that. I am getting fallout, but you guys, these are like glitter bonanza. I can't get over this Lunar Spectrum shade. We're gonna be doing like just a whole lid look with that for sure. Moving into Selene, pick that up on my brush. And this is going to finish the wing out here. So I am gonna bring it up kind of into that crease area in an angle this way. Do you get the rainbow effect? I'm dying. Okay. We gotta get the last one on. The last one is Solar Flare. This one is very similar to Lunar Spectrum, but is more orange. So it's that second one. See, they're very similar. And I don't know if my camera's gonna pick up. There, you can kind of see the bottom is more orangey right there. I'm gonna go back into the Refer 21 just because it's a little bit bigger to fill in this last space. And I am just going to slap that baby on. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. And I'm gonna overlap it a little bit. We're gonna have to zhuzh this a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clean off my brush best I can. I'm covered in glitter. Okay, then I'm gonna take a clean brush and just tap over some of the edges that are more apparent, just to blend them a little bit better. But the beauty of iridescent shades like this is that they all, because they're refracting light in so many different ways, they kind of help you out with the blending quite a bit. Okay, so this is the finished rainbow eye. I'm curious the lighting she used to capture that, but I think if I move around enough, you'll get the full effect. Oh yeah. Am I a rainbow goddess? I think so. So I think what I'm gonna do now is clean up the fallout, add the Beauty Pie Uber Volume Mascara because I just want really big lashes. I might add the brightening pencil in my waterline just because this is very bright. I just want to balance that on the lower lash line, and then we'll come back and figure out what blush and lip we want to do, and then I will show you the full reveal of my outfit, which it's good. It's really good. Okay, I added the Victoria Beckham Instant Eye Bright in the waterline and a ton of chunky mascara, and I'm a rainbow eye. I've been waiting so long to do this that I'm just like, I can't. I'm so giddy. I think I'm going to go in with the Balm Desert Bronzer just because when I am not sure what I want to do, this is kind of a go-to. So I'm going to add that to my cheeks, just keep it kind of neutral. I can't stop staring at my eyes. You guys, oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And then I feel like I don't typically wear highlighter, but this look absolutely calls for highlighter. So I'm going to go in with the Beauty Pie Triple Beauty Perfect Glowing Powder and just hit the top of my cheek. Yeah, definitely deserved that. Beauty-muss, so I'll go down the bridge of my nose and then along the top lip line. I can't get over this. Okay, now lips. What should I do with lips? I don't know that I want to take away from the eyes, but also the outfit that I have. Do we want to go nude like Victoria Beckham bikini? Let's do that, and then we'll see once we get the fit on. I think we need color. Before I even get the fit on, we need color. Let me go find a color. Okay, we went with color. It's a Fitglow Lip Serum, so it's a little bit restrained, but still adds a punch of color, and it is Pop. I don't think they make this shade anymore, and if they don't, they absolutely should. Itch. So this is the finished look. Stunning. So I'm gonna go put my outfit on, and I can't wait for you guys to see that too. I mean, have I reached my final form? I think I have, as like a spiritual, astrological, witchy goddess. That's the vibe. I'm very torn about the headband. I went with gold, but I was wondering if maybe, no, I think I like the gold. Honestly, I feel like I need a hot pink to kind of pull out the pink in the dress. But you guys, this dress, look at this pleating detail. The shoulders, I mean, I'll give a full body after we talk through this, but this is the vibe. This is the vibe I have been envisioning since I saw this look this summer. Seeking Shifts, you are an absolute joy and inspiration and master of shifty colors and color theory. I hope that you know how much joy and happiness you have brought to me, especially taking the time to create that diagram. I know that you have shared that with others. Thank you so much for everything that you do, for sharing looks like this, for sharing the how-to on how to do it. I believe there's another creator, I'll pop them up on the screen, that does a walkthrough with this, I think with different shadows, but man, is this a beautiful rainbow, and do I feel absolutely stunning? Yes. This is also a call to you that just because you are an adult does not mean that you cannot dress up and live your full fantasy. This is my full fantasy today, and I feel stunning. And this, you can't wipe the smile off my face. So let me know if you're going to recreate this look. Let me know if this inspired you to get back into shifty things. And also, what do you think about my garb? I am feeling so divine that we are definitely going to be filming other videos, so you will see this look in a few others. I hope that's okay. But I hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope that this brought you some joy, some inspiration. Go follow Seeking Shifts if you haven't already. You will not be disappointed. And I hope that you're having an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye. I mean, have you ever seen something more gorgeous? This is by Celia B, who made my Miss Frizzle dress. I've been kind of teasing that this one was coming, but wow, is it super flattering, and I cannot get over how many pleats. And the fabric is beautiful. I love the sleeves. I just feel like if you need spiritual guidance, I'll be your tour guide. You know? I hope you enjoyed this. I just can't stop. I'm a rainbow queen. Bye.